I have had my best sales week non Q4 in my Amazon selling career this week. So I know I haven't posted much lately, guys, but I've been crazy busy. I was just in the Caribbean a few weeks ago, traveled to a bunch of different cool islands, and then came home. Had a week or so to get ready for my wedding. I got married on September 15th, so that was awesome. Everything went really well, and then now I didn't take any time to close my store down or anything, so now it's getting to catching up because sales have been crazy. It's already picking up for Q4, which starts on October 1st, but I'm getting non Q4 numbers that look like Q4 numbers right now. Last 7 days, I've had $48,000 in sales. So I just want to kind of give you guys an update of where I'm at. We can see um, 53 unshipped orders, 67 open orders. Yeah, like I said, 48,000. I got some buyer messages that I got to respond to that have been over the 24-hour period. You guys want to always make sure that you're on top of those. I've just been crazy busy and haven't been able to respond to everyone, but there are ways around that. And yeah, so if you're, this is in Canadian dollars. So if you're in the States, then this is actually, let's see here, $37,371.29. So nearly 40,000 US in sales in the last 7 days, which has been pretty crazy. Been really ramping up for Q4, been putting a lot more products into FBA, sending a lot of stuff there and buying a lot more inventory to hopefully sell during Q4, but a lot of it has already started selling now. And as you can see, I had quite the spike here. This was yesterday or today. 9,600 in sales from the U.S. marketplace, and then about 1,800 or so from Canadian marketplace, and then none from Mexico because I really have avoided selling in Mexico lately. Every time that I make a sale in Mexico, it seems like the person says they don't get the item or the shipping cost is way too high and I end up losing money. So with that being said, I've really cut out my Mexico listings and just taken them down because I don't want to be selling in Mexico anymore. Just for the fact that I've basically lost money on almost every sale that I've made there. And the profits look like they're going to be really good, and then the buyer says they never got it, and there's no way to put a signature confirmation on Mexico orders shipping through Canada Post. So anyways, with that being said, I'm not selling in Mexico anymore. US has really picked up 112 units in the last 7 days, and then Canada is 89 units. So my US sales are now surpassing my Canadian sales, which is crazy. Never thought that would happen, but really awesome. And the US marketplace is obviously way bigger than Canada, so I'm really putting my focus into the United States Amazon.com marketplace rather than .ca because just like I said, the market's so much bigger and there's just so much more opportunity in the US. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update, show you where I'm at, and I'm going to be trying to get back on here and get some more videos up. I'm moving as of October 1st to Vancouver, so there might be a few days where I'm not going to be able to make videos, but then I'll be making videos from my place in Vancouver, show you guys the cool view that I'm going to have and all that stuff. So thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Amazon and eBay Guru, for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.